I'm Shaun Jamison. I'm the Associate Dean of Academic Affairs at Purdue Global Law School. So the big question is, are lawyers going to be replaced by AI? And the short answer is no. We're going to need lawyers, but more routine or definable tasks are likely to be taken over by AI. Lawyers continue to be needed, but their role and focus will change. So what role do lawyers play in using AI? Right now, the most important role for lawyers is supervising AI, making sure that they're the human in the loop and that they're revising and editing the output of AI. AI is never going to go to the mat for the client, right? They're not invested in it. Lawyers have long-term relationships with clients. They know nuances of your business, of your life, of your personality. That's too many variables typically for AI to deal with. So you bring that to the table. And a human lawyer can deal with complicated situations that are evolving, in particular ones that have several unpredictable actors, like a trial, for example. You have a judge, a jury, witnesses, parties, other lawyers. It's too many variables and too unpredictable for the AI. However, AI can be great because, say, that judge that you can't quite predict, the AI can look at data and see how they ruled over time and statistically predict what they'll do. But you don't 100% know what they're going to do. And that's why being flexible on the fly as a human being is really helpful. So having that judgment, having that intuition, having the ability to advise clients through situations where the law isn't settled, where the facts aren't necessarily known, is unique to human lawyers. So lawyers, to emphasize their unique human skills, one is to keep working on our emotional intelligence. It's a lifelong journey for anybody, including lawyers, and work on honing our expertise in our practice area, to make sure that we're able to exercise our judgment, to show our expertise, and to make that human connection with clients.